Okay, so off camera, we talked a little bit on what kind of learner you are, and you said you were a visual learner. So I think it would be more beneficial to show you and like how I go about my pre-shot routine and how I visualize, so that you can take what you think would be good. I'm gonna give you a few examples, but on this example, we have a par four. It's 254 yards to the pin. We have 210 to the first bunker um, on the right. I wouldn't necessarily aim towards the left because that's not where the green is. But so whenever I look at this, I'm gonna choose a club to where I won't be in the bunker, because I don't want to have to deal with the treble shot.
Right.
So, and it's a par four, so I can get up and down for birdie, or I can get a par easily. So on this hole, my plan is, you see the two trees behind the hole that surround the green? That's my aim plan. I want to pick a target to where I miss. If I miss right, I'll be okay, and if I miss left, I'll be okay. If I miss right on this hole, I'll hit the hill, and it'll bounce back into the fairway. If I miss to the left, I have plenty of fairway to work with. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So I'll be okay in either shot. Whenever I visualize my shot, I visualize a nice little draw. It's going to start, I don't know if you can see the pin behind me. So number 6 is pin. I'm going to start at that pin and curve to the right edge of the bunker. Does that make sense? So then I'm just going to set up, take my few practice swings like I normally do. I'm going to step behind the ball, envision that one more time. I like to see the golf ball go, because I'm back here I'm like rehearsing what I want the golf ball to see. And then I step up to the ball. I look at the line, but it's a tee box, so it should be good. And then I step back and then I take my aim. And I hit the shot that I want. If it's not okay, then it's fine. If I miss right or left, I'm still fine. But I'm really trying to commit to that nice little tight draw. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So if you want to go ahead, you can. And then if you want to do exactly what I did and just talk us through what you're going to do.
Do you want me to do your pre-shot routine, or do you want me to do my own and just talk through it?
I want you to do your own, but I really want you to be specific on the visualizing part.
Okay, perfect.
Just how specific I was.
So I chose my 5 wood. This usually goes a little right. That's just how it goes. And I would usually, it doesn't go as far either. So I would probably aim just a little bit right of that tree on the left.
Okay.
The first tree. Just kind of where the bunker is.
Okay.
Behind the green. And that's kind of where my target is, and I'm just kind of imagining a little fade into that. So that's what I do whenever I step back first, and I just kind of see the shot. I set up, I take 2 practice swings. It's either 1 or 2, depending on like if I really can feel the shot.
Perfect.
And then I step back to actually pick my intermediate target, which right now I'm kind of looking at this spot right here. And then whenever I feel comfortable, I'll just set up, and then I'll go in.
Nice shot. So instead, you didn't do a whole lot of visualizing on that.
No, on that one, that's my tendency. I like to like set up, and then everything just goes away.
Okay. That's fine. But on this, I have another ball for you. But on this next one, I really want you to pick the target, and I really want you to see like the ball flight.
Okay.
You didn't describe the ball flight to me. You just said it went a little bit right, which is fine. But I want you to really like imagine yourself doing that. And when you're taking those practice swings, 1 or 2 practice swings, I want you to feel your body hitting that shot. Really commit to the feeling through those practice